Hello everyone, this is Manisha. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I have got a lot of tan due to winter season and I have got 2-3 pimples also, as you can see my face. So here I'll be using Pilgrim's 24 karat gold facial kit for a golden glow. It has olive leaf extract, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. This is 5-step complete at home facial kit. It includes 3 facial kit in it. First step includes 24 karat gold cream cleanser. The second step has 24 karat gold scrub. Third one has 24 karat gold massage cream. Fourth one is 24 karat gold facial mask. And last one is 24 karat gold serum. Also, how to use this facial kit is given in detail on its outer packaging. Hence, starting with the first step, 24 karat gold cream cleanser. Any skincare always start with the cleansing, and here we are cleaning our face skin. Let me tell you, Pilgrim is the made in India brand with a Korean beauty secrets. It has a wide range of variety of skincare, hair care and many products. Coming back to the facial step, this cleanser has a creamy texture and it helps to remove dirt and pollutants from our skin and make skin ready for a facial. After gentle massage with this cream, I'm removing it with moist cotton round. And now moving to the step 2. Step 2 includes 24 karat gold scrub. Scrubbing is very important step in facial. As you can see, this scrub has very thick creamy texture with golden particles in it, which helps to exfoliate our skin and remove all dead skin easily. So here I am applying this scrub on my clean face and neck and gently giving massage in circular movements at least for 2 to 3 minutes. Exfoliation helps to remove dead skin, which naturally improve your skin hydration and moisture level, which helps to remove your dark spots and pigmentation, and also the tan, which is very important step. And after giving such a good massage, I'm going to remove this with a moist cotton. Before moving to the step 3, let me show you how my skin started glowing now. And moving to the next step, it's massage cream. This massage cream has very lightweight texture and this is enriched with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. This is my very favorite and interesting step in facial. You have to just apply cream all over your face, neck and don't forget your forehead and start massaging. Here I am giving you 11 types of face massage tricks. Keep massaging your face in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, mostly in upward strokes for 10 to 15 minutes. This massage helps to increase blood circulation and enhance moisture level in our skin. Also makes your face more and more relaxed. Moving back to the step, after 10 to 15 minutes, we are going to remove this cream using damp towel or round. The fourth step includes 24 karat gold facial mask. This comes in very thick golden colored cream. Pilgrim brand is absolutely vegan and cruelty free. It is dermatologically tested, FDA approved, and it has no toxic chemicals. It has no paraben, no sulfate, and it's plastic positive. This skin pampering facial mask restores all brightness. Just apply evenly on your face and neck. This gives golden glow that just look gorgeous, and just keep this mask for 20 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. As you can see how my skin is looking so beautiful and radiant, just powerful precious metal has worked so well. And this is going to be a last step and my favorite step, which adds serum to the perfect finishing touches for a golden glow. Apply few drops of serum on your face and neck, gently pat. This is how this 24 karat gold facial kit works. It has removed all my dead skin and now my skin is so glowing and breathing. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.